Hi guys, I'm at Aliante and I want to play Ultimate Firelink by the Bay. I don't play this game very often, but one of you asked me to try, so let's try it. $300 loaded. I want to play 2 cents to start with, at least 2 cents. No, maybe too loud. 2 cents, $3. Let's see. 3, 1, 4 fireballs. Ooh. Ah. Or 3 fisherman's wharf. A lot of empty spins, but again, I don't play this game often. I don't know, is that normal or not? That's always the tricky part when you don't play the game often. You don't know what to expect. Well, I expect you to give me 4 fireballs. How about that? Let's do $3 on 5 cents. That would be nice. Mini is 69. Minor is 211. Seems like mini and minor are changing. Depends on the Dina. Okay. That should be nice. Octopus pays the most, so that's $36. That's nice. That's nice. Ooh, 3. You know, like all other games are asking you to get 6 of something or like even 8 of something to hit a bonus. This one is nice. It's asking only 4 fireballs, but for some reason it always throws 2 or 3, right? They always get you. Okay. Goldfish, $5. Goldfish again? Oh no, that's not the line. Have a bunch of 3, many times 3. Fireballs. Okay, if I go to 10 cents, I can play $4. Okay, let's do that. Minor is $4.25. Mini is $1.35. Queens, $10. 1 bonus now would be really nice. Come on, let's do it. Yes. All right. 4, 4, 12, 6. That's $26 so far. Okay, we need 4 more fireballs for the first one. Give me more fireballs and yeah, a bigger one if possible. Let's do a bigger number. Come on. Smack. Oh, shoot. Come on. Smack. Oh, very bad. Okay, unfortunately, this was nothing burger. $74. I don't know. I expected so much more of you. I'll just do a few more spins to see if I can get back-to-back-ish maybe. Maybe different type of bonus. Let's play down to, I have 220 now. Let's play down to 200 and see if come on. I feel like I waited a long time to get a bonus and then just failed me. One more. That's it. Let's move on. Let's try there is a sound, off we go. So let's try that machine. Railroad Riches. Okay. Money in. Card in. This machine is, by the way, always very loud. This game, actually, I should say. We will go with, I don't know, let's see what I have here. Oh, does it work? It doesn't work? Oh, no, because my money was not in. Oh, game is really slow. 375 is the minimum, so let's do 2 cents. Okay, 2 cents. I can play $3.01. I can start with 1 cent, $3. Let's do that. Ooh, that's a good start. Give me train. Ooh, this is awesome start. Second spin. Big. Oh no, I thought it's going to be train. No, it's just a bonus. I don't even know what bonus means, but I was hoping for train. It's 8 free games, all right. I'll take it, it's okay. Maybe train can come. Bonus itself is $7 win. Nothing. Okay, I have 10s. A little bit. I need saloon or money back. That's what I need. Money back. Oh, I don't know what it is, but it's not money back. Money back. Shoot. Okay, saloon at least. Oh no. 6 more. 6 now. Oh, I need to. Can I get a coin or something so I can get the feature, train feature? No? No, it's over, guys. Nothing effing happened. Just like $30. This is, we kind of wasted our time here, but sure. I guess. Oh, will I get a bonus now? Is this? No. This is just game being happy for giving me $30. 2 more. No. That's okay. Let's try a little bit longer. I really want its train. That's so much fun.
Here we go.
Okay, wilds. No money bags. Oh, this guns. 33. Huh, that's more than bonus. More than what that bonus pay. Let's switch to 2 cents. Also I think $3. There is $3. Yes, $3, but just on 2 cents. $15.
Here we go.
Oh shit.
Here we go.
Come on. All right, this should be nice. Yeah, $18. All right, that's good. Let's get that train, man. I want the train. Oh my God, look at this number. This is $1,200. Yeah, 600 times 2. Oh, shoot. Okay. This looks good too. 21, nice. Because I had 5 of a kind, really nice setup. I mean, this game is really interesting. Well, like any other game, when you're winning, it's really interesting. It has a bunch of different features, so that makes it kind of like fun to play. But one more. Oh, shoot, man. But like without train, I don't know. Like when you get train, that's when it gets interesting. $14. It's not that easy to get a train, and sometimes even getting a train is not, you know. But we are going to try to get to that train. First time when I played this game, I got all the way through to that like ultimate train. I remember I was playing like $3-4 and I got $500. So that was awesome. But then after that, all trains that I got did not pay much. So I'm waiting for that, you know, like beginner's luck to come back now. And I suffered enough in between, so now it's time for a big ultimate train to come back. about to move to 5 cents, and we said minimum for 5 cents is $3.75, a little bit higher. Okay, $13. 2 more, come on. Oh, shoot. $19. That was $50 ball. On the ball, but whatever that is. Coin. Let's call it coin. Come on, pretty train. All right, if I go to 10 cents, now $7.50, I don't want to do it. Let's go back to 2 cents and $3. No, $3. Or maybe $4.50. Oh, let's go $4.50. Train now would be really nice. Back to 3. Maybe I should switch to the machine next to me.
Here we go.
Yeah. Oh, wild. That's 40 cents, man. Okay, you are not good. I'm going to cash out and move to the next one. You want to take my money? Yeah, you do. I know that you do. Alright, we say 2 cents. Oh yeah, I have to wait until the machine takes the money. Okay, 2 cents now. $3. You do it. I got it, train. I'm really glad I got a train. Wait, $20. This is $20 that we are starting with. Arrows. We got 2 trains now.
Here we go.
at what green does. I think gives you different, yeah. Gives you trains with different. Oh, come on, bigger, man. And 4 digits there. Minor, maybe? Come on. Oh, something else is coming. 60. I thought maybe minor is coming. Come on, give me third one with minor. No. Okay, still good. 40, almost 40, $44 on that one. We need more trains and more arrows.
Golden Gate!
Train is here. Green one, okay. If it's a thing, like if third one can't even come in, I don't know. But like I thought like maybe I should ask for it, you know? Arrow train, come on. Ooh, no. Focus. Arrow train. Smack, smack, smack. Oh, over. Game over. Oh. Let's see what we have. 56 times 2, that's $112. Not bad for $3 bet. Now drama. There's a lot of drama with this machine. Alright. And we are at, can I get my money? Yes, thank you. So we are at 200. I'll do a few spins. Let's try. Floor is 150. That's like $50 a spin. We got another one. Ooh, saloon, yeah. That is $34, I think. Yeah, $34. Nice. Oh. Wouldn't that be pretty full screen of saloon? That would be really something nice. I feel like that train has a lot of coins. You should drop another bonus. Oh shoot, that's nothing. Waste of wild. Okay, at least we'll get this last. Oh, are you kidding me? This is crazy. Wait, you're supposed to give me money back there. Oh, bad you. You blocked it. You know what? Wilds? Come on, money bags now everywhere. No, shoot. We are getting closer to that floor, declared floor. Come on. Pull us back with that train of yours. This is the last spin, guys. That's it. You know what? Let's give it a chance to Buffalo to give us all our money back, huh? So $3 bet, it's high limits. $3 is minimum bet, and I put that 151 in. Let's see. Buffalo can be excellent game or not. Depends. We will know soon enough. So far, just empty spins. All right, this looks like. Too bad I didn't have Eagle there. $54, I'll take it. Yes, one more. Oh, fourth one. Ah. Okay, Buffalo. Let me go back so we can see everything. I can show you everything. Times 3 is right. Yes. Every time you should do that times 3 again. Two coins, please. It's time. Three more gets 1 coin. Come on. Oh, it was right there. Would I have queens? Okay. Just a little bit of change. Last spin. You can do it now. Come on, man. Chose not to do it. Only $34. That's like 11x. No bueno. At all. That's okay. It's going to do better next time. Come on, whenever I get multiplayer, I know there's nothing here. It's the type of multiplayer that you do not need. You do not want, yeah. Oh, nice. It's 25 bucks, I think. Yeah, 25 bucks. It seems like a lot, but it's good. 15. You need to remember that I'm playing, even though this is high limit room, but I'm playing $3, so I think that I need to remind myself that $25 is a good line hit. Okay. That's 30 something dollars. $30 of elks, and then I don't know for queens. That's what you want with buffaloes, right? $30 is really nice. Look like he's going to land. $80. I feel like one more bonus just to kind of try to get some money, because $34, I don't know, that doesn't, like, that's just 11x. We can do better, right, Buffalo? We can do better. One more, yes, thank you. One more. Oof, it was there. All right, let's do things better now. Maybe to start with 2 points right away. Little queens. Point now, come on. Oh, I don't want to stop the game in the middle of the game. I don't like that. But seriously, like, why are you not giving me the second point? You're not going to gain anything by stopping it, though. Half of you now is saying stop it, and the other half, no, don't do fast spins. Yeah. Okay, times 3 is nice. Two points. Oh shoot, multiplier was there, nice. Last chance to get 2 points. Oh yeah, I got it. Okay. I got too excited about it. How about the third one, please? Third one? Oh, gone. Okay. Chance to get more money in the next 5 spins. One more point. It's stuck there. No, empty spins. Buffalo and multipliers. Come on. Either 2 coins or Buffalo 2 coins. Or Buffalo and sunsets. More Buffalo, more. This is just a touch of a little bit. Touch of money, not. Ooh, 3, come on. All right, still, it's better than last time. That's 40, I think. 120, not bad. I am 270, almost back. Decision is, should I leave or insist to get my $29 more? I think that I should insist. No, guys, in normal situations, you're supposed to cash out now. Like, you say, hey, it's good. I got most of my money back and I should leave. But Let's have a little bit more fun and try to get. Yes, can I get a water, please? Thank you. Let's try to get a little bit more money if Buffalo allows. I said I wanted one more bonus and now I'm staying. Where is the, what the heck is happening with my discipline? So since that bonus, all spins were empty. No. Come on, wake up. Why is every spin empty? Literally every spin was. This is the first spin that actually gave money back. Isn't that weird? Man, give me one good spin. Oh, Buffalo. Ah. Buffalo in the first 3 reels. Come on. Times 2, yes. Buffalo. Thank you. Thank you. I got my water. I'm not going to play more than 150. This is my attempt to win more. Buffalo did not cooperate, so I should stop it. One more, come on. Oh, I got it. All right. Hey, this is the, I would say, miracle because I wanted to leave at 150. It's just a chance. I don't know what's going to happen, but I'm really, really glad I got that chance. We'll talk about later what you do, depends on what Buffalo does here. Well, let's do 2 points right away, please. Let's move that out of the point. Come on, man, come on. First 4 spins, nothing. Oh, 2 coins, and this times 3, come on. Okay, that's good. It's $30 for Buffaloes. I have kings. Okay, times 3, please. Thank you. I think about $40, 30 something. Buffaloes, Buffaloes. One more, come on. One more spin left. Coin! Ah, they wanted us. Okay, just Eagles. Okay, they get me to 238. I say, let's play to 200, and that's about it. I'm really happy I got this third chance. Floor is, ooh, yeah. Floor is 200 or 300, whatever happens first. I would love 300 to happen first. for that, I just need one good spin. One partially good spin. Like Buffalo multiplier, we are good. Nothing here. Come on, Buffalo, and multipliers. Seems like simple solution to this situation is Buffalo multiply. With 3 coins, and let's try it again. Last spin. Okay, guys. All right, guys. From 300 to 200, it's not a win, it's a loss, but it's $100 loss. So we can handle that. We know that we can handle that. So better luck next time. But it was fun. I got a lot of bonuses on Buffalo, and I got actually everything that I played, I got bonuses. So it was good. Thank you all for watching. Have a good one.